Roger East. I am from Davis, California, just outside of Sacramento. You know, I've been to many events, and this is by far the best. It was awesome. You know, smaller group, lots of personal attention, and I really appreciate that. Well, it's like getting directly fed from the fire hose, from the most informed. No, I think that was a big part of it because I had a lot of questions, and you know, if Cody wasn't available, then someone else was. But you know, Cody is just totally awesome, and it really sort of helped me put everything into perspective. And I really, you know, think that's probably one of the more major benefits of the entire experience is just having that, knowing that the answer that I'm getting is correct. Wow, there's a lot of things. I think the SEO was a big help because I've been struggling with that. I think the Facebook activity was really good for me because up until this time it's been a total mystery. I didn't realize how simple and easy it could be. So it's just so many things that I think I was just sort of holding back because I really wasn't confident or sure that I was going in the right direction or doing the right thing. And I think that's the biggest thing that this has really helped, and that's why I feel it was, you know, such an awesome event. Well, you know, I think one of the things that I appreciate the most is that there's always new content coming in. Things are being updated. A lot of the events I've done before, the content I felt was stale. I didn't really feel that it was, you know, up to date at all. And so it's refreshing to see that happen. And it's very thorough. There's a lot there. And, you know, it's up to me to get in and dig and learn more and apply. I feel like I've always been into real estate. When I was young, my father was a builder, restaurateur. But he used to have me help him at a very young age. So, you know, I was driving nails when I was probably, I don't know, 10 years old. I learned electrical from him and HVAC. I mean, I learned the whole business from him. And then went to architecture school, and I'm sure it was a result of having that experience and wanting to build more and wanting to know more about design. But at the same time, started investing. And I soon realized that I really liked investing, you know, working with homes and having a structure that sat on dirt. I love dirt. I'd love to have my own dirt. And so I just finally decided that I wanted to do more investing. And so that's really what brought me here, to really focus more of my attention on that, because I find it more rewarding than anything that I've actually ever done. I mean, everything that has occurred over the last 3 days, I feel has sort of somehow magically filled a slot that I was unsure of or not quite, you know, ready to tackle. But, you know, now I really feel empowered, you know, to move forward.